Hi, Tracy here. Welcome to Downward Dog Rising. I'm going to show you a Pilates Reformer exercise. It's more advanced. It's called overhead. You'd avoid spinal lumbar compression if you have any herniated discs, spinal stenosis, degenerative disc disease, osteoporosis. Avoid this type of exercise with all of those conditions. So I'm going to show you overhead. As far as you know, if your spine is healthy and you're an athlete and this is going to help you for your sport, by all means, go for this exercise. If you're a gymnast, if you do things or you have to have control and roll through your spine, this is a great exercise. Also, you would never do this with spinal fusion because we're articulating our spine apart. All right, so we're going to put on 2 red springs, 2 heavy springs, and then we're going to lie down on our back, place our hands in the small loops. I'm not going to talk much as I go through, I'm just going to show. So, Pilates overhead. We put our footbar down. We're going to come all the way to our mat. We're going to walk our hands into the small loops. I'll give you a little modification. Your arms can pull down as your legs lift up. Control. Back is on mat. Scoop abdominal wall in. I'm going to focus now. Repeat. Feel that curl, stretch legs long. Little balance. Kick. Scoop in. Scoop in. Lengthen. Feet in line. Over face. Line up. Lengthen, 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 lengthen to the tailbone. Control, land. And there we have it. Thanks for joining. Peace, everyone. Take care. Bye. Thanks for watching.